Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea what's in this package. We're going to share this moment. We're going to share this experience. Share it together. If it's something I can link, I will link it right down below in the description so you guys can check it out. It does help my channel when you guys use my links, but that's entirely up to you. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, don't necessarily recognize the name on the front. It feels like there's more than one thing in here, and there are. There is. Oh, there's three things. Oh, three. Bonus. Okay, what do we got here? Hold on. Thanks for the point. Okay. Oh, this is from Qvist. Hold on. Oh, we got paperwork and stuff. Here. Let you guys take a look at this here real quick. Pause it if you want to. Make sure that you, Instagram if you guys want to check stuff out. If you're on two devices, if you're watching on TV and you want to follow on your phone, right? We got multiple different people. Oh, now I remember. Yes, okay. I got to get all three of these out so that I have information while I'm opening this stuff up. And this one, okay. So let's do this box first. Is this the? Okay, we got a little slip here. Oh, it's a little slip joint. Ooh, distinct mid-stop. Yeah, okay, that's pretty cool. What do we have here for the... Oh, it's in 20 CV. Okay, we got a special boy here. That's pretty nice. That'll work. Can we... Yeah. You can technically get it out with one hand. Okay, that's cool. So what do we have? This is called the... Hold on. There's blah, blah. Is this the... That's the... No, that's not what it is. This is the... No, that's also incorrect. The vanish. Sorry, you can't see, but I'm looking. There's three pieces of paper this way. So this is the vanish right here. Dropping April 2023 specs. There you go. There's some specs. What's the price on it? $119 pre-order, $139 retail. At $119 pre-order price is pretty good for what you're getting here. These are titanium, not brass. It says right here. Solid titanium scales. So, that's pretty cool for a little slip joint. I kind of like how it looks as well. Okay, cool. So then the next one, I want to do lightest to heaviest. So the next one we're going to open up is this guy. And we have a front... Oh, did you hear that? Listen to that reverberation. That's... That might be one of the most satisfying front flippers just for the noise. Are you guys getting the noise on the phone here? I don't know which side the mic is on. We'll do it on this side and we'll do it on this side. Yeah. It's like throwing a big coin into a pile of coins. Okay. So we have what feels like titanium, a very nice pull. I've done a Qvist review before. A long time ago. We have a nice... high reflectivity tumbled finish. We also have access to the hole, which, oh man, it's such an odd looking sort of sway back kind of handle shape, but it works actually really well. The detent is tuned. It's a pretty heavy detent for a front flipper, so you're getting a lot of leverage off of that. And really able to throw... It's really snappy. The detent is a lot heavier than I would have expected for something like this. And honestly, I think it's the lock bar tension too. I mean, it's everything. Yeah, nice centered blade. That's got quite a snap to it. Left-handed, no problem. Nice reverberation there. So this is the... the variant PE3. Okay, so titanium frame lock T8 hardware. Good. Very good. 3-inch 20 CV blade. $169 pre-order, $189 retail. I can tell you right now that I am on board with that. The price for the materials and execution is very good. I still want to carry it and give my opinion, but just the price there, right? If we're not going to apply too much to it. Obviously, there's more that should go into your knife purchases, right? But right there, pretty good. Especially the 169 pre-order price is really good. I'm going to link this website down below, but if you can't be bothered to go into the description, then here's the website right here. Okay, and then finally, we got this one, which initially felt like the heaviest, but obviously I'm just stupid. This looks like the budget version. So we have is this the one that I originally did? Okay, this is the invert. Enjoy the upside down. Okay, I like the square captive pivot. That's cool. Let's see here. Are these all? Yeah, these are all manufactured by QSP. That really does not surprise me at all. They will have titanium versions of this too. Ooh, good move. Good move, Qvist. This is really nice. I'm always going to be a fan of... What do we got for the steel? Yeah, they know. They know what we like. That's good. That's a good-looking blade. That's a really nice budget blade. And I can tell you right off the bat what I appreciate here is not only the fact that it is a liner lock. I'm a big fan of that because I don't like having to figure out where to put my hands when I'm, trying to disengage the lock, especially when I'm trying to flip it, right? You're not putting any excess pressure on the lock bar or you're flipping it because it's underneath the scales, which are really nice blue micarta here. I do like that. I love the fact that they're going to offer a titanium version. But I think my favorite thing, I don't know why you guys made space over here. That's odd, right? Like this doesn't need to be right there. That's weird, but I do like that we have so much access to that. Lock bar is very easy to engage and disengage. That's great. They milled out a spot for lefties. That's wonderful. The pocket clip is QSP excellence. That is a QSP clip if I have ever seen one. Same with the milled clips. These are simple popsicle stick, but they work. They don't create, obviously this, well, I don't say obviously. I didn't know that one doesn't have a clip, but this works, right? Pocket clips, the pocket clips that they've chosen, they work. They're not crazy. This doesn't have like a blah, Mainly, it's a little bit of a ramp is fine, but what bothers me is up and then over, right? And then some of them even go, let's go back down, right? I don't know why they do that, but this is great. Just trying to manipulate it as a, trying to imagine manipulating it as a lefty. Can I? Okay, so I'm going to end up hurting myself. This should be covered. This little spot right here. And not that it would create better access to this, but that one little spot should be covered. Not that big of a deal, honestly. The only time that's going to be bothersome, I honestly don't know. No, you can. If you get up right behind it. Maybe I'm just in the wrong spot. There we go. I'm still having to fight this on this side, but that's okay. If you're right-handed, that's not going to bother you. It's just kind of a weird thing to look at there. But, yeah, okay. This is pretty cool. Here's the other thing. This is straight. This has more of that sway back look to it, right? And so does this one. These are great. It looks like everything's got a good price. What's the price on this one? I didn't even look. $69 giggity in micarta and $99 for titanium, which honestly I don't think is bad either. If they're going to keep 14C28N and go titanium. Boy, that one right there, 14C28N and titanium for $99 on this guy, I think is probably the one that has me the most tempted alongside this one. These are cool. This is obviously not a review, or well, for some people it's not obvious. Every single day I have people saying nice review on unboxings, and I appreciate that. I can't tell if you're joking or not, but if you're not joking, this is not a review. It's just an unboxing and first impressions. I can't actually review this having just unboxed it. We spend some time with these models, and I will bring you individual videos on each of these and give you my final thoughts. If you don't want to wait, again, I'll link all this stuff down below. I have no affiliate program with Qvist or anything like that. I'm just linking it for your convenience so you guys can check it out if you want to. Thanks again to Qvist for sending in these models. They all look pretty cool. That's going to be pretty much it today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.